Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So I decided to recreate this Taylor Swift You Need to Calm Down video inspired look. Let's insert my intro right now. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off, I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all?
First things first, we're starting with brows. Don't mind my mess, by the way. I mean, please. Yeah, so I love this brow gel by Physicians Formula. It's brand new because it's like a tint and a holding gel. It's got a perfect consistency. I prefer to use my own brush instead of the one provided, but it's nice and light, and that's what I need since I'm doing a Taylor Swift look. Her brows are definitely lighter than mine. Then I'm going to go over it with Kat Von D Lock-It Powder just to lighten them up, and it'll keep them on even longer. So yes. Now look at this. I'm using a makeup wipe and it's not coming off my hands, so you know those brows are going nowhere. Now I'm going at the Milk Makeup HydroGrip Primer. I love it. It makes my foundation stay on all day. Then I pounce it in with a beauty sponge. Then I'm going with Too Faced Born This Way Caramel for shade reference. I'm going to pounce it in with my Morphe M439 brush. But then I am going to use my beauty blender to make sure it really looks natural and flawless on the skin. There we go. Down the neck. Then I'm going in with the Too Faced Concealer. Look at that. This is super sculpting. I just love the finish on it. It doesn't dry me out. Then I'm going in with light neutral as well to contour. And I figured I'd give you guys a heart because that's what this video is all about. Love one another. Anyways, I'm going to blend it in. I'll be right back. I'm still blending. I'll be right back soon. Soon. Right now. Okay, now I'm baking with the Kat Von D powder. Then I'm going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion on my eyelids and the Alyssa Edwards palette. I thought it was so fitting. Look at this palette. It's gorgeous. I'm going to leave all the shades in the description box below, plus all the products I use. That way, because I go so fast, you won't miss it. I'm now going into the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. Now I'm going in with this eyeliner pen, and I am really hugging the lash line. Oh, take a deep breath when you're done doing that. Now I'm going over with that beautiful color in the Alyssa Edwards palette. Now I'm removing my bake. I'm going with the Morphe Blogger because it's on the light side. I don't want to have too much contour. I just want to chisel out my face. Now I'm going with this rainbow highlighter, which I'm using as a blush. Now I'm going with this contour pencil by LA Colors. I got to snatch that nose because Taylor Swift definitely has a smaller nose than I do. And I am going with a shade in the Alyssa Edwards palette to contour and snatch that nose. With MAC Pink Light, and I'm Jam Sesh, taking a couple selfies. You know how I do while it dries. Now, Evil Queen highlighter by ColourPop mixed with Jeffree Star Ice Cold. And then I'm going to go on my lower lash line with that beautiful color. And then I'm going with the deeper brown, then the white on the brow bone, just to make them pop. Then Caution Hourglass Mascara. Then some Superstay Maybelline Matte Ink in Romantic, and a smidge of Chrysanthemums by Jeffree Star, just to make it pop. And I'll be right back. I added this beautiful wig. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. I love you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like more makeup looks like this. And I love you. Peace.